Hi guys, in today's video we are going to paint this space painting in a simple way. So let's get started. You can see all the art material link in the description. You can see I am mixing the color purple and a deep cyan. So here we are going to paint the base for the space painting. As you can see, the background is very black. So when we put another color on this black background, the color won't be so visible. So first I am applying something for the base. So here I mix the color purple and deep cyan, and I am going to paint something like a spiral here. So this is the first step. Here I am using my filbert brush. If you don't have a filbert brush, you can use your regular flat brush. So this is for our base. You can see after we apply the color, we have to let the color dry so that we can continue on painting another layer. I painted this galaxy or space painting only for beginners, so I used very simple method to paint space. Once we finish painting the base, then we can just let the color dry. Once the base layer is completely dry, now we can apply another color. So here you can see I mix some white to the color purple, and here I'm applying the color here. So you can see I'm not going to apply the entire spiral with the blue or purple color. So I'm going to paint only in some areas. So you can see I'm not painting or applying the color here. I'm just tapping the color on the canvas. So in this way we can get an effect like a cloud. So I think it is useful for beginners to paint space. For this space painting I have chosen this black canvas. So if you don't have a black canvas, then first apply the color black on your canvas entirely. Now I am using the color magenta and I mix some white to the color magenta. So we are going to follow the same procedure with this magenta color. So earlier we used the color purple, now we are using the color magenta. So we are going to paint the texture like a cloud here. So this painting idea is also suggested by one of my followers in Instagram. They asked me to paint a space painting or a galaxies painting. So I decided to make this painting for beginners so they can understand the basic techniques to paint space. So I believe this tutorial might be helpful for them. If you find this tutorial is helpful for you, please let me know in the comment section. Following the magenta and purple, now we are using the color deep cyan, and I mix some white to the color deep cyan. As we all know, the background is very dark, so I need to apply some white to the color. Now take a sponge like this. So I'm going to use this sponge. So I'm going to just take some paint and I apply the paint here using this sponge. Now I'm going to define the edges using my round brush. To add more depth in this painting, I'm going to use this light blue. Now it's time to paint the center of the universe. So here I'm using my makeup brush, and here I use the color primary yellow, and I mix some white to the color, and here I'm going to paint some spirals like this. So here I'm using my makeup brush. If you are new to my channel, I am Rakshana. I love to paint with acrylics. Here I am sharing my painting knowledge with beginners, and if you find my tutorial is really easy and helpful, then please remember to subscribe my YouTube channel and also follow me in my Instagram to know all the regular updates about my painting. Now let's apply some white color in the center of the space. So here again I use my makeup brush. In the final touch, we are going to splash some white color on this space painting, and now you can see I am using my fan brush. So I added some water to my white color, and after that I used the liquid paint here. This is the final look of our painting. Let me know in the comment section how much you like this painting, and I will meet you guys with another beautiful painting with a step-by-step tutorial. Until then, have fun with colors.